Miami Music Week 2026 is almost here, and we are ready to take over South Beach. Join us Wednesday, March 25th at the Moxy Hotel Miami in South Beach for an all-day Revolution 935 takeover. The party starts at 11 a.m. with Revolution Splash Pool Party all the way until 5 p.m. featuring DJ sets from Johnny Petrarca, La Twins, Jude and Frank, Romy Lux, and Tony Zucchero. And then, we keep the vibes going upstairs at the Serena Rooftop for an exclusive Revolution R party from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. On the lineup, Bonnie and Clyde, Caleb Calloway, EDX, Frank Walker, GT Off Ice, Castra, Lucas and Steve, Vassy, and a big special guest. One epic day, poolside to rooftop to party, relax, and live the full Miami Music Week experience with us. Save the date, March 25th, Moxy Hotel South Beach. Revolution 935. No commercials, just beats.
Satisfaction.